As a kid, I was obsessed with living in an RV.
I'm telling you, you should come with us. You should come with us.
I know, everything's just looking like you need to join us.
I'll just be in my roller skates, in the back, holding on.
That's perfect.
Hey.
Yeah, because we don't actually have room. So yeah, you'll just have to hold on in the back.
I'm Rachel.
I'm Kelly,
We love to travel together.
but this is our first time doing it in an RV.
So we're getting some advice from a few friends to make sure we're living our best RV life.
Today, we're getting a visit from Chef Jeff to make sure we're eating right on the road.
Okay, I made the most amazing playlist.
Let's hit the road.
Get up a little. Okay. Just in case we get cold, you know?
Yeah, and it's so cute.
Oh my God, he's here.
Hey.
Chef Jeff!
Hi, so nice to see
Hey,
you.
I'm so happy that you're here.
I'm so happy to be here.
We need all the help we can get.
Oh, I'm excited to help.
Let's go in.
Oh, yeah, let me see the kitchen.
Wow.
So much stuff.
So are you about to wine and dine us in this RV kitchen right now? There is a lot here.
You can make some pretty amazing things in just a very small kitchen. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I want to get started with the dessert because that takes the longest, and we're gonna do that on the grill.
Okay.
So yeah, let's go outside. Oh yeah.
Nice, look at that.
Why is that so satisfying?
Just gonna make sure it gets everywhere. We're gonna do our fish packets.
Love that, smells so nice.
Right, and that's something that I like to do when I'm camping. You can add a lot of flavor with zest and citrus, some fresh dill, and some fresh thyme. And take a little bit of onions, some carrots, peppers, green beans, and then we're gonna do another halibut, and it's gonna be plain because we're making an escabeche. It's just chopped vegetables in a vinaigrette, and then we're gonna put some herbs in here and lots of garlic olive oil. It's gonna be super, super tasty. So we're gonna check on the peach cobbler, which is looking really good. I'm gonna take our little fish packets we made.
Take notes. Yeah, I am mental note.
Really make that oven an oven. And then I'm gonna make you my favorite thing, which is bacon fried rice. I brought tamari,
Okay.
which is gluten-free soy sauce. So we're just gonna get some eggs. Oh, it's good. I hate overcooked eggs. We're not even gonna go there right now.
Yeah, I know.
So we're gonna sprinkle in our rice. Now I'm gonna put in my green onions. And then we're gonna get our tamari, 'cause it's gluten-free soy sauce. And we're done.
Awesome.
All right, so you have the empapillote, so that's the one with the vegetables inside of it, and then you have the one with the escabeche, which I brought some extra escabeche sauce out if you want it, or if you want some extras on
I will
yours.
be using
I
it.
might use it.
So how's the fish?
So good.
Oh, you should try each other so you know which one.
Oh, yeah,
I want to
yeah.
know which one you like best, actually.
Yeah, because I want to try the
Switch.
sauce.
Yeah.
Yes, good idea.
That's my favorite.
Don't eat my fried rice.
I will not. I have my own fried rice. I'm not gonna eat it. Okay.
They're both so good, but this one, the
No, it's my
flavor
favorite.
is that
Yeah.
sauce.
I'm just gonna slide this plate over to make room
Ready.
for my cobbler.
Weaker.
It got a little soft.
That's okay. Probably better.
Honestly, it makes it so good.
Yeah. Wow. Nice. Oh my gosh, that's my piece. Yes.
Thank you.
Wow. No, that is delicious.
Oh my gosh.
It's very hot, but that's delicious. I cannot believe that you made this in that tiny little kitchen. It's very impressive.
Very impressive.
Yeah.
My job is catering, and so
Okay.
my life is camping. I'm always in someone's garage. I'm in a spare bedroom. I'm basically in Harry Potter's closet.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I mean that's just what I do for a living. You just find a way to make it work, and it's all about how you can just improvise with the things you have, and just not taking things you don't need.
What would be your biggest advice for cooking on the road?
I hate meal planning, but you really have to plan.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
you need
that's
to know
true.
what you're gonna take. If you get a box mix of something, it takes up less space. And then if you make your sauces like this, it has a lot of flavor and you can get a lot of different ingredients. And for me, it's having lots of herbs and then mixes that are versatile. So have you ever stayed in an RV before?
No?
It's our first time, actually.
Oh my God, so what do you think?
It's been so much fun. A learning experience for sure.
Yes, a learning experience, but it's nice. We're liking it. We're gonna do it for the rest of the summer, I think.
What's your favorite part about road tripping?
Mine?
Yeah.
I think it's probably either the soundtrack that you listen to, I always make a playlist or something on the way, and having time with you,
I was
honestly.
gonna say, yeah. I just love being together, and obviously we're forced to be very close together.
Yeah, we haven't killed each other
You
yet.
learn
which is
so many
nice.
new things, you know?
Absolutely. So who's gonna make dinner tomorrow?
Yeah. I knew that was coming.
Volunteer.
But I'm ready. I've mastered. I feel like the fried rice. I got this.
Got the rice
She's
down.
It's
doing
gonna be good. Yeah.
I'm leaving you the sauce.
Yeah, I'm gonna have the sauce already, so it's be easy.
Cheers to Chef Jeff.
Always. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, babe. Cheers. Love you. Love you.